Marley, activist, author, and Read Across America ambassador. Are you ready to read, write, and get things done? Let's start with a book. In Finding Junie Kim, written by Ellen O., 12-year-old Junie has kept quiet about the bullying and racism she encounters at school. And when someone defaces the school gym with racist and anti-Semitic graffiti, Junie doesn't think there's anything anyone could do about it and withdraws further from her friends who want to try to effect change. When Junie is diagnosed with depression, she starts spending more time with her grandfather and learns about his life in Korea and his experiences during the Korean War. Junie begins to channel her grandfather's strength, renew her resilience, and is inspired to speak out against racism. As she gets more confident and grows more aware, Junie joins her friends in starting a Diverse Voices Club at school. Many of the chapters of this book are the stories of Junie's grandparents and the experiences they had during the Korean War. If you only have an American perspective on the Korean War, reading these stories and getting their perspectives is really illuminating. This book made me think about everything I can learn from those who come before me, which my parents have always emphasized. I want to know all about my family history, from Jamaica to Cape Verde to the US, and understand where I've come from. But I also want to be informed about and understand all the different types of people around me. The world is full of amazing people. Talk to them and get to know them. Reflections on what it takes to understand and appreciate the perspectives of others and how to live together with our differences is something great for you to write about in a diary or a journal. Or maybe Finding Junie Kim will inspire you to write a book talk or review of this book and get more people reading and talking about the issues in it. Or get you excited to interview an adult about their life and an important moment in their childhood. Or maybe move you to write an anti-bullying poem. Writing for yourself doesn't have to be fancy or formal or hard, so give it a try. In the book, Junie and her friends interview students of color about the prejudices they deal with for a video that's presented to the whole school. In the video, Junie says, "When we are silent in the face of racism, we give racism the power to continue to hurt Black people and people of color. Only by speaking up against racism can we take away that power. Our voice becomes a shield, just as our silence has always been a weapon. So I am not going to be silent anymore. I'm going to speak up and be a part of the solution, no matter how hard it might be. Think about what kinds of positive action you can take in your class or community to speak up and to support and be kind to people from all different backgrounds. Think about how to get others to join you. The Diverse Voices Club, with Junie and her friends start, is a great example to follow." Did this book spark new thoughts or make you wonder about something else? I bet you all have great ideas, so put them into action. I hope you will pick up this Read Across America recommended book and are inspired to read, write, and get things done. Bye-bye!